In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS to a Wix Studio website. If you're looking to fine-tune the look and feel of your site beyond the built-in design controls, adding custom CSS is a clean and direct way to do it. You can tighten spacing, adjust typography, or create precise visual tweaks that match your brand. We'll keep things simple and focus on getting you into the right place in the editor, then show you where to write your styles so they apply exactly how you expect. Start inside the Wix Studio editor. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the code pane. Open that and then select Start Coding. This enables the coding functionality for your project, unlocking access to your site's code structure, including the CSS area. Once coding is enabled, the editor will display the relevant panels so you can manage code files right alongside your design. Next, head to the CSS section. This is where your style files live. From here, you can work with an existing CSS file or add a new one if you'd like to separate styles for organization. Keeping your CSS grouped logically, such as by components or pages, can make future edits much easier. Clear file names and comments at the top of each section help you stay on top of what controls what. To apply your custom styles, click on the current CSS file you want to edit. The editor will open a code window where you can type or paste your CSS. Write selectors that are specific enough to affect only what you intend, and avoid overusing the important flag, which can make later changes harder. If you're adjusting headings, buttons, or sections, target consistent classes or structural elements rather than very broad tags, so you don't unintentionally change areas you didn't mean to touch. As you build out your styles, think about the cascade and load order. Rules that appear later can override earlier ones, so organize from general to specific. For responsive design, add media queries to tailor spacing and sizing for smaller screens. Consistent spacing scales, color variables if you're using them, and clear comments will keep your CSS predictable and easy to revisit. That's all there is to it. Open the code pane and enable coding. Go to the CSS section to manage your style files, and then edit the active file to add your custom CSS. With those steps, you gain precise control over your site's visuals while keeping everything neatly integrated in Wix Studio.